In this session, we are going to see how we can clone a Git repository using Jenkinsfile in the Jenkins Pipeline series. So here, I will go on my Jenkins and let me create a new item here, and I will say pipeline Git demo. You can name it anything, and I am selecting pipeline here and say OK. Now here I will go to the pipeline section, and here we have already seen in the earlier sections that we can get a pipeline from source code management system, or we can create a pipeline script here itself. And we have learned earlier that there are two ways or two formats to create the Jenkins file or to write the script in Jenkins file: a scripted format and a declarative format. We are going to use the declarative way, which is more recent. Now here, if I show you, I can just click on Hello World and it creates a sample pipeline code of Jenkins file. So this is a Jenkins file with a Groovy script that we write, and here we have all our stages. Now I can go to pipeline syntax here to take some help and to generate the syntax, and here in the sample step I will say git. So we have a git here, and here it will ask us for the git repository. So let me go on my GitHub and let us say I am just going to use this Jenkins pipeline demo that I created in the earlier session. So this repository URL I will copy and I will paste the URL here. You can get any of your repository URLs, and the branch name I want is main, and you can see the name is main here. And then if I want, I can add the credentials I have already shown in the earlier session. And if it is a public repository, even if you do not give the credentials, it should work. And then let me just add it here. And then if you want to include polling or include changelog, all that you can do from here, and you can click on this question mark and you can see the details of this step or this field. And now I will click on generate pipeline script, and this is what is generated. I can just copy it from here, go back to my job, and here in the step I can say, instead of just saying echo hello, or I can say echo hello, and then I can also add this step here. So here if you see, it says git branch main and then the credentials ID if you have added your credentials, and then this is the URL. Let me show you the URL here. So this is the URL of my repository, and now I will say apply and save and say build, and this will start the execution, and you can see this is done. And if I see the logs here, you can see it printed the message hello world here. And then if I go and check the console logs again, I will go back and click on the logs again, and here I will say git, and this stage or this step of this stage is cloning our repository, and you can see it has cloned our repository, and this is the location where it is cloned. And I can also go to the run of this pipeline and go to console output, and I can see all the console output here. So this is the way how you can use Jenkins file to clone a Git repository or a cloud repository, and wherever you want to have this step in your Jenkins file, you can do it like this. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching.